we do not require the barangay official to be present. It's only on the tagging of evidence.
Of course, but what I'm saying is, nangyari. Diba? O may barangay official ba doon?
I cannot assure you, Honor, during that time.
Oh, okay, you better check
Tagging
because match-check din yan. Tama yung sagot mo, pag hindi ka sigurado, huwag muna sagutin. Number 4, may media ba doon?
Yes, Your Honor. After the incident, Your Honor.
And who is the media present during the time?
I cannot remember.
Oh, you
Your
cannot remember? Again,
Can remember.
Colonel.
Pero alam niya yung operation.
I-check ko lang po yung data if the good Congressman Castro will indulge. Yung sinasabi mo kanina kasi may closed case na, 38. 38 ba yun? Close? 30,
30, Mr. Chair.
30, 30. 30 ba?
30, Mr. Chair.
30. What do you mean case closed?
Closed for lack of substantial evidence, nor witness or witnesses, and lack of complaint coming from the relatives of the victims.
Okay, yung 13 na closed case, under your watch na.
No, Mr. Chair.
So, kasi ang pagkaintindi ko, Mr. Chairman, 52 cases ang binigay sa inyo ng DOJ. Tama? Out
Yes,
of
Mr.
that
Chair.
52, 13 and close. So in
Close.
short, binuksan nyo, pero still, sinara yung 30 because of lack of
Evidence,
complete
Mr.
evidence. So sa inyo pa rin, under your watch na, di ba?
Yes, Mr.
The
Chair.
case under your watch na. Oh, so it's not 52. We only have around 22 cases na lang. Kasi ang 30 cases
Hindi,
was
yung
already
52
closed.
kasi, Mr. Chair, yun yung sinabi kasi ni DOJ Secretary Guevara before. Kaya nga tinatanong natin. Kasi ang nangyari kasi, etong from PNP data, so ipinasa sa DOJ, tama po, no? Tapos si DOJ naman, instead na sila yung mag-imbestiga, kayo po yung nagkaroon na ba ng investigation po under the DOJ o kayo lang po yung re-investigation po?
Kami lang, Mr. Chair.
Kayo lang yung nag-imbestiga. So, ang DOJ hindi po nag-imbestiga, Mr. Chair?
Kami po ang investigative arm ng Department of Justice, Mr. Chair.
Hindi, yung nakuha po na 52 ng DOJ, ipinasa po sa NBI.
Yes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair. Na-refer
Okay.
po ng Philippine National Police to the Department of Justice.
Okay. Sige.
So, follow up na lang po. So, eto, linawin ko ulit 52 yung case that was endorsed by DOJ. 30 was already closed. Under your watch.
Closed temporarily because of
Closed
for
lack of
or
evidence and witnesses.
Mr. Chair.
Okay. Now, but that 52 only focus in Metro Manila. Tama po.
This is nationwide, Mr. Chair.
Nationwide.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
But a while ago, you mentioned cases lang sa puro Manila lang yan.
Mr. Chair, 52. This is nationwide case.
So, nationwide, out of the thousands,
Oh.
only 52.
Only the cases, the only cases referred by the Department of Justice.
Kaya nga.
52.
So, 52 lang. Why 52 lang?
Those are the cases referred by the PNP to the DOJ and eventually referred to the NBI for investigation. We still have other cases. We're still collating the figures so that we can submit a complete figures of cases
Okay. So,
nationwide
so
from
that is
regional and district offices.
Mr. Chairman, that is understandable because that 52 cases was endorsed by the PNP to the DOJ.
And
Tama?
endorsed to us,
And
Mr. Chair.
of course, yung the investigative body, DOJ endorsed that to NBI.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So, Mr. Chairman, ako, ang pagkaintindi ko doon, siyempre, PNP nag-endorse, siyempre, 52 lang. But I hope, yung mga ano natin, yung mga human rights advocates, siguro, dapat lang ngayon, sa ngayon pa lang, magkano na kayo? Sabi nga ni Chairman, yung mga witnesses and everything should cooperate and go out in the open. Then, para matulungan na rin yung, not only the victims, but of course, the agency, especially the NBI.
Yes, Mr.
Diba?
Chair.
There are 30 cases now. So please, yung 30 cases close, temporary close. The word is temporary close, di ba? Now, please submit it to the committee so that we can send it out to NUPL, Attorney Jokno. Wala na si Attorney Jokno. no? Para naman matingnan nila kung paano matulungan, no? To encourage relatives of victims to go out in the open and so that NBI can act on it.
Yes, Mr.
Kasi without witnesses, without complainants, wala talaga yun. Walang mangyari dyan. So please submit na lang ASAP po sa
Yes,
committee,
Mr.
Chairman. Thank you.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So alam niyo po yung kasong yon. Kilala niyo yung tao.
Not personally know
Not personally, no, pero alam niyo yung kasong
the
yan.
operations, Your Honor. I know the operations, Your Honor.
Did the CSR know about it? The CSR know about that? Alam niyo ba yan? Pangalawa, ang NBI ba nag-investigate yan? Then wala kayong sa batasan eh. Ngayon, meron na kayo ngayon. Isa.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
So I would hope that now na narinig mo na meron na sa batasan, I hope that you will investigate.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Chairman.
Yes,
Chairman.
Congressman Karaps, while the CSI is looking.
Anyway, Chairman, now Colonel Patay admitted that he has knowledge, direct knowledge about such operation because that time he was still the chief of the Station 6. Now, Colonel Patay, is that, you claim that that is a legitimate operation, tama po?
Yes, Your Honor.
What type of operation is that?
That was a bypass operation, Your Honor.
By
It
bus.
was,
So you have a co-plan. You have a co-plan?
for that particular, Your Honor.
Of course. Do you have a
Your Honor.
co-plan for that particular operation?
For that, I cannot remember, Your Honor, but
Okay, you cannot remember. Okay, again. Mas magandang sagot na yun. You cannot remember, but you have to produce that. Now, second, is that operation coordinated with PIDEA?
yes, Your Honor.
Are you sure of that?
Yes, Your Honor. We have
Because
the records,
during
Your
the
Honor.
time, if I'm not, just correct me if I'm wrong, no? Kung ikaw pa ba o yung previous o yung pumalit sa'yo, may isang encounter nga nangyayari dyan eh. Dito, malapit sa batasan between PIDEA agents and police forces, which is Station 6 and involved, di ba? Is that during your time?
Not anymore, Your Honor.
Not anymore.
Yes, sure.
So yung pumalit sa'yo.
I'm not sure, Your Honor.
Okay, sige. You're telling us that, ito, Colonel Patay. Colonel Patay, chinecheck ko sa'yo. Now you're saying na it is well coordinated with PIDEA. PIDEA, please check that record. If it did, it is legally operated. Because he's saying that it is being coordinated with PIDEA. Now, third question, since that is an illegal drugs operation or by bus operation for that matter, and Colonel Patay, anin mo ayaw kong magsinungaling ka o mahuli ka rin pag nagsinungaling ka. Better, if you're not sure of your answer, wag mong i-confirm. Now, third question. Yung proper operation sa by bus operations should have a presence of the local barangay officials. Mayroon ba?
During the actual, Your Honor, by-bus operation, we do not require the barangay official to be present. It's only on the tagging of evidence.
Of course, but what I'm saying is, nangyari. Di ba? O may barangay official ba doon?
I cannot assure, Your Honor, during that time.
Oh, okay, you better check
Tagging
because match check din yan. Tama yung sagot mo. Pag hindi ka sigurado, huwag mo nang sagutin. Number 4, may media ba doon?
Yes, Your Honor. After the incident, Your Honor.
And who is the media present during the time?
I cannot remember.
Oh,
Your
you
Honor.
cannot remember? Again,
Can remember.
Colonel.
Pero alam niya yung operation.
Anyway, PIDEA, please check na lang po. Then, Chairman, yung QCPD, sigurado ako may record ng pangyaring to. So better check na lang po. Pakikuha na lang natin, kunin natin yung record doon sa QCPD. Kasi Colonel, pag tinanong kita, is there a body cam?
During that time, Your Honor, there
Wala.
was no issued body cam, Your Honor.
Wala pa. The time wala pa. 9165 wala pa. Wala pa, okay. Buti, lumusot ka. Okay, anyway,
Okay.
ganito lang po, Chairman. Again, I would just like to reiterate. Ang kinonfirm lang, ito kanila, gusto kong, ano sa iyo kasi sinabi mo to eh. You confirm that is a legitimate operation. Second is well coordinated with the PDEA. Nandiyo yung plano, everything, etc. etc. May local official. And who is that local official? Hindi mo na matandaan. May media. Hindi mo na rin matandaan. So, PNP, doon sa mga operations ba, for example, QCPD or Station 6, may record ba dyan? Kung sino media during that such operation, no? Di ba? May after report yan, di ba?
Supposed to be, sir.
O supposed to be. Oh, Colonel Patay, who is coaching you? Colonel Patay, who is coaching you?
Attorney Alboro, sir.
Oh, you're not allowed to coach Colonel Patay unless the chair will allow you to coach him. Please be reminded. Colonel Patay, if you want to be coached by your lawyer, by your counsel, you ask the chairman.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Anyway, so yun po yung ano, yung dapat, yung procedure, di ba? So, Colonel Patay,
Yes, sir.
may post-operation report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sigurado ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Sige. Pati yung post-operation report, Chairman, kunin natin sa QCPD. Last na lang to. Ito, Colonel Patay. Sino yung mga involved doon na police?
It was stipulated in the report, Your Honor.
No, tinatanong kita ngayon. You remember that such incident, such operation, who is the police involved in that operation? What those police? Station 6 eh.
There were a lot of police involved, Your Honor, because we used the drug enforcement unit, Your Honor.
Colonel, siyempre lahat yun, baka dinagnet niyo pa yun, di ba? Ang sinasabi ko, sino yung direct doon sa operation?
I would like to look at or review the report, Your Honor, so that hindi po ako magkamali if you...
Sige, okay.
Honor.
Sige. Okay, Colonel. Mr. Chairman, ganon din po. Yung lahat na involved sa operation nila, please we will request the QCPD to submit to this committee the records of that operation.